La Palma. Known as the Isla Bonita, it is part of the Canary Islands archipelago. From Cumbre Vieja to Caldera de Taborente, its natural parks with lush forests and exuberant nature have earned it recognition by UNESCO as a biosphere reserve. Land of high volcanoes, extensive valleys and almost deserted beaches where you can enjoy its clean waters and its fantastic cliffs. La Palma has bright skies during the day and clear at night, which makes it one of the most important points of astronomical observation in the world. Of the Palmeros, affable and hard-working people, it is said that they are never in a hurry, that they are the ones who control time and thus enjoy life. And so it was until September 19th, 2021. That day, the Cumbre Vieja Volcano erupted and changed their lives forever. On its way to the sea, the lava swept away houses, shops, industries, banana plantations, roads, schools, and the memories and way of life of thousands of Palmeros, causing more than 7,000 evictions and destroying more than 1,300 homes and many infrastructures, among them 3 schools. Two schools completely destroyed and one partially. The one in La Laguna, which we see in the image, has suffered damage to 50% of its facilities. The Rotary Clubs of the Canary Islands, with the support of District 2201 and the Humanitarian Foundation of Spanish Rotarians, have proposed to contribute to the reconstruction of the Island of La Palma through a project for the construction of an educational centre to replace some of the schools destroyed by the volcano. The project starts with the fundraising campaign One for La Palma, to which important personalities have already joined, from the President of the Government of the Canary Islands to the mayors of the affected municipalities and other well-known individuals such as artists, soccer players and many others from all over the world. Now it's up to us. Join the project and contribute to the reconstruction of La Palma. Deposit at least €1 or £1 in the account of the Humanitarian Foundation. Post a photo of yourself on your social networks with your index finger raised and the caption, "One for La Palma, I'm joining in too." Encourage your clubs, associations and your friends to allocate the proceeds from an event to this project. Let's unite the whole world in a common project to help La Isla Bonita. Let's build a school. Together we will be one for La Palma.